Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions while having a good laugh. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On my left, we have the Shark F500 3D Genius Steam Mop, the mop that promises to make you feel like a cleaning ninja. And on my right, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner, the little powerhouse that claims to tackle everything from grease to mold. So, grab your rubber gloves and let's mop up the competition. Let's kick things off with the wallet. The Shark comes in at $129, while the Schenley is just a smidge cheaper at $119. Now, if you're like me and your spending habits resemble that of a raccoon in a dumpster, you might be inclined to go for the Schenley. But remember, folks, sometimes you get what you pay for. Like that time I bought a designer shirt online and got a tablecloth instead. Amazon reviewers have noted that, while the Shark is slightly more expensive, many find its performance and features justify the price, often describing it as a good investment for its effectiveness. Meanwhile, the Schenley, being the budget-friendly option, has garnered praise for being affordable and delivering solid cleaning results without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Shark boasts a genius head with direct steam channeling. Sounds fancy, right? It's like the mop has its own GPS. Reviewers have highlighted that the Shark effectively cleans tough stains, thanks to its extra steam option, which quickly breaks up stubborn messes. Meanwhile, the Schenley claims to be a multi-purpose steam cleaner, tackling dirt, stains, grease, and mold. One reviewer even raved about how it cleaned their floors quickly and effectively, making it a great choice for those looking for versatility. I mean, if it can clean my ex's leftovers from my fridge, I'm sold. Okay, here's where it gets even hotter. The Schenley heats up in just 15 seconds. That's less time than it takes me to decide what to watch on Netflix. Reviewers have praised the Schenley for its quick heating time, making it a convenient option for those who want instant cleaning gratification. The Shark? Well, it doesn't specify, but let's just assume it's not a time traveler. Many users have expressed a desire for quicker heating times from the Shark, indicating that if you need to get cleaning fast, the Schenley might be your best bet. Let's talk about flexibility. The Schenley is lightweight and has a 180-degree swivel. It practically does yoga while you clean. Reviewers have noted its lightweight design and comfortable handle, making it easy to maneuver around tight spaces. Meanwhile, the Shark has touch-free technology that makes it sound like it's more high-tech than my smartphone. However, some users felt that it was a bit difficult to maneuver due to the swivel mechanism. But can it do the downward dog? I doubt it. Both mops come with their fair share of accessories. The Schenley comes with 7-in-1 attachments, making it versatile enough to clean windows, stoves, and probably your neighbor's car if you're feeling generous. Reviewers have praised the Schenley for its variety of attachments, enhancing its cleaning capabilities. The Shark has double-sided dirt grip washable pads. So, if you're feeling lazy, just flip it over. It's like the equivalent of, do I really need to change my shirt? Users appreciate the washable pads for their effectiveness, making cleaning a breeze. In summary, both steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses based on user reviews. The Shark S500 Genius Steam Mop is often praised for its effective cleaning, ease of use, and high-tech features, making it a favorite for those willing to invest a bit more. On the other hand, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner shines in affordability, quick heating, and versatility, appealing to budget-conscious consumers looking for solid performance. So which steam mop reigns supreme? If you want a smart, efficient cleaner that heats up faster than a microwave burrito, Schenley might just be your best friend. But if you're looking for a mop that can channel its inner genius and has a touch of high-tech flair, Shark is the way to go. Remember, whether you pick Shark or Schenley, the real winner is you, because clean floors mean fewer excuses for not doing the cha-cha slide at home. If you enjoyed this showdown, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more hilarious comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.